Yeah, so guys, we just got stopped by the cops.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hey guys, back again. So we're gonna check out a little bit earlier than this hotel. So the only real thing I liked about this hotel was our view. The view, excuse the KFC. That's what we ate last night because the restaurant here was closed. And not to mention, I think, did you take a photo, like a video of what we had yesterday here? I don't think we did because we were quite disappointed. They charged us 4,000 something for a small little meal of goat curry and chicken and fries. It was very small, but anyway, that's why we had KFC last night, because the chef was in a hurry to leave. So anyways, I'm not a type of person to complain, right? I'm happy with whatever I book, but the pictures on the internet of this place look 10 times better than what it does here, right? So Babe will show you on screen pictures of the place that's on the internet. But yeah, so like I said, the only thing I love about this place is the view. Okay, the view is to die for, right? Beautiful view. Everything else is just horrible. Like, look at that. There's, right, that needs to be cleaned.
Everything have stains on
Look
it.
at that, have stains on them, everything.
Even the bed.
So the lady came yesterday to freshen up the room, but they were 2 single beds because there were one selling for, when I booked it previously, it was 2 single beds and 1 queen bed. So we wanted the queen bed because the 3 of us can fit on it, obviously. And they came in the room and put the beds together to make it look like a queen bed. All right, so that's 1. Number 3, like, these curtains have not been washed for ages, for a long time. Like, I'm surprised if even this has coronavirus on it. Another thing, look at that. Come on, guys. You can do a little bit better than that. Like, literally, there's a piece of paper holding up the air vents and the air conditioning, and there's mold, literally lots of mold. I had this on for like literally 5 minutes or 10 minutes on last night because we needed some ventilation in here because of the, obviously, the mosquitoes for Island and that. And guys, yeah, just horrible in that space. Anything else you want to mention? Oh yeah, went to wash Island's bottles yesterday, and literally inside the pot there's all flaky white bits, which normally that happens, but yeah, you got to look after your hotel, that's it, and the people, because you can get in a lot of strife for that if we're drinking tea or coffee. Another thing, this is the bathroom, guys. All right, we hardly use the bathroom. There's all like stains in that there, you know. Shower does not look very pleasing, appealing to the eye. Now, mind you, pictures were great on the internet, but when we arrived here, we were shocked, absolutely shocked. So, yeah, if I can say to you, was it worth the money that I paid for? Not really, in a sense, because we could have got, you know, somewhere a lot better than the money I paid for this place, you know. But anyway, it's okay. It is what it is, and there's not much you can do about it. But yeah, just little things like little nits and pieces, like all that dirt there on the corner, you know. Yeah, so I really hope they upskill themselves. If they ask me for a survey downstairs when we check out, I will tell them, like, I will survey, because I'm about honesty, and if you want honesty, I'm going to give it to you. Alright guys, so that's all I've got to say about this place. If you're looking for just a simple place that's not going to be too expensive, but you're going to get a little, all nits and crannies that you're probably going to notice, like I did. You'll see. Yeah, another thing is the reviews were just shocking. So people were like, nothing compared to what the internet pictures show up here. And it's not. It's nothing compared to what the pictures show you. If I come out here, look at this, guys. The door's broken through there. The sliding door. So, just real quick. Look at that. They literally blocked this four-way with like mattresses and stuff, like old beds and things. So yeah, it's pretty run down, and I mean, it could be the best thing ever. As you can see this morning when we got our breakfast, babe filmed that part, it was literally like for a baby who eats that little bit of food. So alright, that's enough complaining about it. People, don't get the wrong idea of me. I'm only giving you my honest opinion. Alright? Blessings. Have a good day.
Look at this, guys. See you guys picking up man on the road. So guys, we just got stopped by the cops. Yeah.
Alright. Hello.
Alright, go through here.
Keep going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, they let us through.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, they saw Maddie and like, okay, you're good.
Yeah.